So today I'm about to show you the best AI tools for content creators, including HumanBot AI, Jasper AI, Canva, Writesonic, and Copy AI. By the end of this video, you'll see how to generate blog posts, social media captions, video scripts, and designs in minutes, saving hours of work every week. Imagine planning your next project in HumanBot AI, writing full articles in Jasper, and designing stunning graphics in Canva, all in a few clicks. Let's dive in. If you are a content creator, marketer, or small business owner struggling to produce content quickly, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll be able to brainstorm and plan content efficiently, generate high-quality text for multiple platforms, create visually stunning graphics with AI assistance, save hours of manual work each week, optimize your workflow for maximum efficiency, and leverage pricing-friendly tools for every budget. So, first tool is HumanBot AI. HumanBot AI is data-trained AI chat platform that allows real-time voice chat with AI humans. This tool helps humanize customer interactions and offers huge selection of AI humans from different ethnicities. Perfect for brainstorming, script writing, or practicing live interactions. The pricing on this one is a one-time payment of $49. And the next tool is Jasper AI. The starter pack is $29 per month, and for the Pro, $59 monthly and could be billed yearly, or $69 monthly can be billed monthly and you can cancel anytime. Includes advanced AI feature for multiple brands. Jasper AI is ideal for long-form content, supports over 25 languages. For example, you can generate blog posts, email newsletters, or social media captions instantly. So, just a quick tip on this one, you can use Content Improver to make text more engaging and human-like, and you can combine with HumanBot AI to plan and then expand it into full content. Next tool is for a Canva AI. So, they have free, which has 50 credits monthly. Next is for Canva Pro, which has $12.99 monthly or $119.99 yearly. You can have 150 credits per month. And for Canva for Teams, $14.99 monthly or $149.90 yearly. And that's for up to 5 users. Canva AI lets you generate graphics, thumbnails, and social media posts. You can input a headline or idea, and Canva AI suggests layouts, fonts, and imagery. So just a tip on Canva Pro or Teams, unlock Magic Studio including AI background remover, text to image, and design suggestions. And for the fourth tool, Writesonic. Writesonic has a light version, standard, professional, or advanced, and enterprise. First, light is $39 monthly. This is for freelancers needing professional SEO and content. The next, standard, $79 monthly, and this is for small marketing teams, growing content, and SEO. So professional is $199 monthly, and this is for growing brands needing full SEO plus AI search visibility. And next one is advanced, which has $399 monthly, and this is for scaling teams, improving AI search visibility, and SEO. So for enterprise, you can custom your pricing. This includes demo available. Writesonic is great for email copy, add content, blog ideas, and landing pages. Plug in your topic and get high converting suggestions. So, just a tip on this one, professional or advanced plans are best for multiple campaigns and full SEO optimization. So lastly, tool number 5, Copy.ai. Chat plan has $29 per month, has 5 seats, unlimited words in chat, unlimited chat projects, access to OpenAI, Anthropic, and Gemini models. Next is Agents Plan. This is for $249 monthly, up to 10 seats, everything in chat, 10K workflow credits monthly, train content agents using Content Agent Studio. Copy AI is perfect for social media posts, product descriptions, and team-driven content generation. Use the chat plan for small teams or individual creators, and the agents plan for teams scaling with automation and brand-aligned content. Just a tip on this one, use the agents plan to train custom content agents that help automate repetitive content tasks for your team. So just a pro tips, 6 actionable tips. You can combine HumanBot AI and Jasper AI for planning and scaling content. Second, use Canva AI for consistent branding. Third, lock your templates in Jasper AI for multi-brand content. Start with free tiers to test output before paying. Then for fifth, use Canva shortcuts like Magic Resize to post across platforms faster. And lastly, always proofread AI output. Check tone, style, and content. And just a quick recap, you learned about HumanBot AI, humanized AI chat, and voice interactions with one-time payment of $49, perfect for brainstorming and live script practice. Next, Jasper AI is for long-form content across multiple brands. Canva AI is for graphics, thumbnails, and social media posts. Writesonic is for emails, ads, and landing pages. And Copy AI, lastly, is for fast content ideas, chat, and team-driven automation. We also covered pricing tiers, free versus paid options, and pro tips to make your workflow more efficient. Using HumanBot AI alongside Jasper allows creators to brainstorm faster, interact with AI humans for realistic testing, and scale content without monthly limits. If you want more tutorials like this, drop a comment with which tool you want me to show in action next. And don't forget to like and subscribe. These AI tools can cut your content creation in half, save money, and help you stay ahead as a creator.